Hello student, today we are going to make for Navratri a Devi with which you can change the sari. If you remember last year for the board decoration I had made a Devi. Every day the sari used to change. So that was
See, this board decoration I had done.
same magic. It is a little bit of technique. So today we are going to learn. So what material we will need now? A picture of Devi, whichever you want. I'm taking this because the same one I had done it. Now this is a kite paper. Okay, 2 colors I have taken. You can make 9 colors also, but for just now I'm going to show you in the 2 colors only. Then a firm sheet like this or a thermocol, whichever it is available at your place. A little bit of paper tape, a thread. If you have woolen thread, it's okay. Just for the hair I need it. Some black pen, golden, and sketch pen. Colors, pen also we will going to need. You can use pencil colors also. Golden paper, a drawing paper. One drawing paper should be little bit thick, okay. And this board I had prepared. This is a cardboard, the West cardboard I had taken. I had stick the white paper, okay. Now for the starting, and we need a tracing paper also, okay. We need a tracing paper also. If you don't have a carbon, you can use chalk, okay. This is a chalk, and then just rub on the back side and then trace it out. This is one technique. Now for thing, take a picture. Now wherever I'm pointing you, see, first we need a cutout of this whole thing outside, leaving the hands, leave the hands which we are going to draw here again on the background, okay. So that only 2 hands will be going to be little bit 2D, and otherwise all hands will be flat. So only that much 2 hands will be little bit look like a 3D. So first thing, this outline, see, I'm showing with the pen. See, this outline we are going to trace out first. So take a tracing paper, okay, trace it out, okay, both the things. After tracing this, I'm going to trace only this portion, the sari outline, only the sari outline, leaving the palms. I'm going to make a palms on a different side. See, this way I had traced out. See, can you see the tracing? See, only the outline of the sari. This I'm not going to draw. I had just draw the palm because I want separately. So after doing this tracing work, trace it this, and then this leg also you have to trace it. Hands also we are going to separately trace out. See, now I had traced already. Now on this tracing, see, now I will show you in closer. See, I had traced this only the outer portion. Why we are doing in the part, you will know. Now see, I had folded into two because I need two. How much saris you want to change, you have to make that much, multiply the cutouts. So for just now I'm going to show you only two. So I had folded. These hands we need only one, and the legs also one pair. See, while cutting, please hold the paper nicely. It shouldn't move because we are taking 2 papers. You can staple also together and then cut it. It is very easy. So I'm just going to go with the outline. I'm not going to cut the legs because legs, the palms of the legs are separately. See, I'm going to leave this portion and I'm going to cut till this outline. So let's start. I had cut this line also. Can you see? Just till the curve. Now this line also I'm going to have it just for the effect, nothing else, okay. This way, and hands and legs also we will cut. See, this way we had cut the pieces. Now one more piece we will need, that will be the whole portion, this portion. See, from here, okay, the sleeves of the blouse, okay, from this line to the whole portion we will need one more, the base one, on which we are going to assemble the whole thing. And this firm sheet which we are going to use, on that we are going to have that cut. So first draw on this paper, okay, cut it and then keep on the film and then cut it. I will show the cutout. See, after cutting this, place this to the outline, okay, do the outline and then cut. See, this we had pressed out. And see children, when you are doing on this the firm sheet, or you can use thermocol also for giving the relief. In this case we have to trace this little bit smaller than what we had cut for the smaller. This is big now, so I'm going to cut inside side. So this drawing should be cut in a small size than the drawing. See, this firm sheet is cut. Now we will start with the how to make the sari. See, we had cut it. Now what you are going to do, color this hand, legs, and the crown. You can stick golden paper. So we will just color this and keep ready. First we will start with the sari, how to make the sari. See, we have taken 2 pieces, so I'm going to show you only one color, and the next one you only have to do. I'm going to show you this one. So for that reason we need a kite paper, okay. Now see children, Just keep on this. You can see it is very transparent front only. Now what you have to do, now I'm taking in the length, okay, so keep it like this. See, now this is the folding line. Can you see this transparent? See, I will just get it to closer. See, you can see the transparency. So you have a guideline to do it. Now what I'm going to do it, just on that fold I'm going to fold it like a fan fold. See, now I'm folding it. This line we have to get it, so till that you have to fold it. It is a sari pallu. Now I'm going to mark, see, this line and this line, I'm going to mark it with the help of the pencil, little bit leaving the outer portion, and then I'm going to, because for sticking we need it. Still I had marked it. Now cut this. On the pencil line we are going to cut it. See, after cutting it, now see, keep it on this. Okay, now what you are going to do, put the glue, okay, on the fold. Okay, now turn around and then seal this portion. Now for the down portion, same way we are going to do. See, it is a transparent, so it is very easy to mark it. Okay, now this direction we have to fold it, so in slanting we are going to fold it. Now I'm going to use the same portion. See, I'm using slanting. Now with the help of the pencil, same way you're going to mark it on the little bit outer side till here. Cut this. After cutting we will get this. Now same way stick this. We having this cut and this cut also. For what reason you will know. Place here little bit. Okay, so this portion is there. Now we are going to make the folds here, so continually we are going to make it. Now see in this, so mark the going to fold first, and then I'm going to the this, keep on this, and then just mark it and then cut it. Okay, so this much we need it. Okay, now cut it. Cutting this, now put a glue. See, please hold this way, otherwise you will stick on the other side also. Hold it. See, put it nicely. Okay, when you turn around, put the glue and stick. If you see the in the close, see how the folds are come. Okay, now for this side. Okay, so I'm going take a big portion. The line, see, transparency is there, so you can see the down also. Yes, the main thing is the inside portion. Okay, after marking it, cut it. See, after cutting it, the fold should be very properly. Okay, it shouldn't disturb. You can put the glue in between the folds also. Fix, turn around and then seal this. Okay, after doing this, I'm going to use quilling for the borders. On the border, okay, see this way, put the glue on the border at the back side. It just that it will look nice, for that reason I'm putting it. Okay, this way, and the whole thing, because when it will be for the assembly, that time we need the blouse. So now see, I have taken 2 strips. See children, I'm not giving you a measurement for this strip, because according to your drawing or according to your Devi size, you have to make this. I'm going to make a fan here, so I'm taking 2 size, one small and one big. See, you can see it. So just have a fan fold for both the things. I think so everyone know how to do the fan fold. See, now we got the both the things. Now just secure this first. See, after sticking this fans, now I'm going to attach this. First thing, attach this first, the smaller one. This we are going to do with the assembly, when we are going to stick together everything. Now this is your waistline, little bit down. On this, what we are going to do, okay, and just I'm going to rest. Before that, you can just give the design also, so it will look like a kamar patta. Otherwise you can just keep a plain one this way. So before attaching this, see, this will go down and this will be looking like this. So we had done this with this. Now, okay, this blouse one, we are going to trace out from the tracing paper. See, keep this, do the outline till here, the outline till here. Okay, now I'm going to cut this. Now for here I have put a little bit of skin color on this foam sheet which we had already cut it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stick this on the foam sheet. Okay, this way. See, after sticking this, now see what I said, how to assemble now. See, get all the things, pointed one na, we call tatsni. You can put that also, or you can use a double tape for this. So chalo, let's start. I will show you the yellow one, how I'm going to assemble both. I'm going to show. See here, that this should be very careful about this thing. See, now the legs. See, when you're using double tape, what you have to do, see, just I'm going to put a this transparent tape wherever you're going to put the double tape. Why I'm putting, while removing, you might damage the dress. So just put no worry about the face. That will be permanent. Permanent things should be sticked, and for this you are going to do this way. So you can use this thick one double tape, or we get this thin one also. So both I'm going to show you. First apply the double tape here. On the blouse also I'm going to put a sellotape here. So I don't want that it should tear the thing. See, you cannot tape I had taken. Wherever I have put in the sellotape, on that only I'm going to put. Otherwise what happen if you put, okay, so I'm putting here one, stick the head. See what I said, first we will stick this, take a double first. As for this also we are going to apply transparent tape on back side. Okay, and then okay, that will be help you for, it's very easy. First stick this. See, I just need to give a, how we had given the lines for this. See, under this it will go and the legs will come outside this way. See, okay, stick into the center one. Okay, now I had removed the stickness. Now keep your sari here properly. Okay, press nicely. Okay, now it's done. Now for the leg, this leg will go down. Here also we are going to put double tape. Okay, because every time we will need to change the sari, so that time we will need the legs. Okay, now to assemble the Devi, every day whenever you are going to change, for how many days Devi is sitting now, that much day. See, and then the thing, see, this way. Keep on this. Done. Now the gada will come here. Okay, now this is ready. This way. Now I'm going to show you the assembly of the other thing. Now I'm going to remove. See, out. Okay, golden has not come out. See, it is intact. Nothing has happened to the thing. Same way, I'm going to apply the double tape on the this side. First put the which tracing. Same way for the, see, I had put in the first, remove it. I'm showing the second sari how to wear it. See, putting the tape here, keep like this. Now the sari for the similar sari. See, same way the hands will go like this. In this hand I'm going to give the trishul. Okay, this will be fixed. So other hands I will show you the whole picture how it's going to look now when you are going to assemble this. See, this will legs will come inside. I will show the background how we are going to make it. See, ready. You can change every day the dresses, the sari as I shown you. And yes children, you can make a jewelry as you like. This way you can add the jewelry and this way your Devi is ready. Children, click your photo with the activity and send to me. The best one I'm going to put on my Facebook. So till then.